What is up, guys?
Welcome to Blowout 11. In this video, we will be shooting the water balloons at a single shot fire. The one that pierces the most water balloons wins between the Blackwater 1911 BW and the CO2 Combat Zone Enforcer. Shooting 10 water balloons. So as you guys saw, the spring pistol, Blackwater, shot only one water balloon. Now we have the CO2 Combat Zone. We hope it'll shoot more than one. Okay, let's shoot. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, they were both equal. So now let's just have some fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.